Hey everybody, it's Christopher Small, the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Today I want to talk about whether or not you should even start your estate planning considering this coronavirus and the shelter at home order that was actually just issued by Governor Inslee if you're in Washington State, like literally 20 minutes ago. Before I get to that though, I want to remind you, if you have questions about estate planning or probate, and you want to talk with me right now over the phone for free, you can go to estatemeeting.com. All right. I want to talk about this specifically because it's a question that I've gotten today. I got it 2 or 3 times. I've gotten it a few times over the course of the last week, and I wanted to address it because it's really important, and I don't want to discourage people from beginning this estate planning process if it's something that you think you want to pursue right now, which a lot of people are. Obviously, there's a lot of fear. This coronavirus seems to move relatively quickly the older you get, and having these things in place can be helpful for sure. With that being said, the point of this video is not to get you to call me. It's to get you to just understand what this process is like so that you are not discouraged from starting something that is important to you for lack of information. So the answer is, you can definitely start the estate planning process right now. At my firm, to give you an idea, it typically takes 3 to 5 weeks from start to finish to do an estate plan. A lot of that time is gobbled up by clients reviewing the documents, a little bit of the back and forth that happens to get to a final draft, but that is the typical timeline. Starting now is a good idea because it's likely, hopefully, I'm hoping at least, that we'll be getting to the final part of the process at about time that the things start to open up a little bit. Maybe we can have a little bit more access to each other, sit in a room together with each other, and do those kinds of things. But in the meantime, the way that I've set my firm up and my processes up, I've tried to make it simple and convenient and easy for my clients to do everything they wanted to do. In the past, basically up until probably last week, that meant being able to converse via email, over the phone, or in person, whatever they wanted at any time. I would just tell people, hey, whatever you want to do, I'm down for. Because of that, I created systems and processes and made it easy for people to speak with us and work with us electronically without having to come in. Now, of course, that is not only convenient, it's required. So part of our process is fee agreements are done electronically, payment can be done electronically, conversation can be done over the phone or via email, drafts can be sent electronically, things can be reviewed and commented on and changed electronically. So there's not really any need or requirement, at least, to come and meet in person before everything is signed. So if you have been sitting on the fence and thinking about this, by the way, like I said again, I'm not, the purpose of this video is really truly not to get you to call me necessarily. If you have other attorneys that you want to talk to, go talk to them, okay? Like I said, this is very important. Part of the estate planning process is not just doing a will, but it's also doing a power of attorney, medical power of attorney, and healthcare directive, which if you are stricken with this virus and in trouble from a health perspective, those 3 documents can be crucially important for you, all right? So whether you're watching this in Seattle or in San Antonio, right? Get your estate plan done. It's really critically important. And like I said, right now there is as good a time as any to get started. Obviously, we all have some urgency to get these things done because we see how fast things can happen, and the safety and protection of ourselves and our family is on everyone's mind. So don't let this keep you from getting started. Many law firms, I'm sure, are creating right now processes and procedures for electronic communication and electronic sort of processing of the estate plan. So don't use that as a reason not to go and do it. Okay, that's it. I hope everyone stays healthy. Please do your best to keep your distance. Let's all band together, do our best with this thing, and hopefully we can all get through it as quickly and as safely as possible. But in the meantime, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you know someone needs to hear this, please share it with them. If you have a question or comment, please leave it. I will answer it. And if you want to talk about estate planning or probate with us, you can do so over the phone by going to estatemeeting.com. Once again, I am Christopher Small. I'm the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning. We do probate. We do it well. Thank you for your time, and thank you for your attention. I appreciate you, and I will talk to you again soon.